One chip, 47 steps, 6 hours of precision.
You're about to witness the most advanced jackfruit chips operation in North America.
This facility processes 15 tons of jackfruit every single day. Here's how they turn tropical giants into the perfect crunch, from tree to shelf in 72 hours. Let's go inside.
This is the story most snack companies don't want you to see.
It starts here, a 200-acre sustainable jackfruit farm where every tree is monitored by agricultural specialists.
Each jackfruit takes 3 to 8 months to reach optimal ripeness, but only the perfect ones make the cut. Senior harvesters can identify the perfect fruit by sound alone. This one?
Ready.
One jackfruit weighs between 30 to 50 pounds. Drop it, the entire fruit is ruined. Every fruit is handled like premium cargo because bruising affects texture in the final chip.
35 miles, one direct route, temperature maintained at exactly 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
The receiving bay operates 18 hours a day, 6 days a week. Every delivery is logged with harvest time, farm location, and temperature data.
QR codes link each fruit back to the exact tree it came from. Full traceability.
Sugar content, firmness, moisture level, all measured before a single fruit enters production.
This batch? Approved. Let's move inside.
An automated overhead system moves 500 pounds at a time to the staging area.
The staging room holds up to 3 tons of fruit. Temperature and humidity controlled within 2 degrees.
From this point forward, human hands touch the fruit only when precision demands it.
Stage 1, the industrial cleaning system. 1,200 gallons per hour of triple filtered water. Rotating food-grade nylon brushes remove field debris without damaging the spiky skin.
120 psi water jets target every crevice. The spiky exterior hides dirt. This removes it completely.
UVC light sanitization eliminates 99.9% of surface bacteria without chemicals. Final rinse. Reverse osmosis purified water. Cleaner than what you drink at home.
Industrial air knives blast away 98% of surface moisture. Dry fruit cuts better.
Optical sensors scan every fruit. Size, weight, and surface defects identified instantly. Rejected fruits? They go to juice production. Nothing is wasted here. Human inspectors make the final call. Machines are smart, but experience matters.
Soft spots? Out. Irregular shape? Out. These workers have 10+ years of experience.
Every approved fruit is time-stamped. If something goes wrong later, they'll know exactly when this fruit was processed. Weight sorting determines which cutting station each fruit goes to. Precision starts here. 3 parallel lines, each optimized for different fruit sizes. Maximum efficiency. Custom cradles hold each fruit perfectly centered. The next step requires millimeter accuracy. From dirty field fruit to surgical clean production unit, time elapsed 8 minutes. Now the transformation begins. Welcome to the cutting floor, where 40-pound fruits become thousands of perfect slices.
These cutting machines built in Germany specifically for tropical fruit.
That white sap is natural latex. It's incredibly sticky, and the reason these machines need special coatings.
The fibrous core isn't usable for chips, but it goes to our composting partner.
Each fruit contains 100 to 150 individual pods. This worker can process one fruit in under 90 seconds.
These pods are what become your chips. But first, they need to be uniform.
Size matters. Uniform slices cook evenly. Mixed sizes? Some burn while others stay raw.
The industrial slicer makes 300 cuts per minute. Blade thickness exactly 2.2 millimeters.
2.2 millimeters. Any thinner, they burn. Any thicker, they stay chewy. This thickness creates that perfect crunch.
Look at that consistency. Every slice identical. That's the difference between industrial and homemade.
AI-powered optical sorting, 30 cameras, 5,000 slices inspected per minute. Anything irregular gets removed instantly.
Random quality checks every 15 minutes. Thickness tolerance, plus or minus 0.1 millimeters. Single layer arrangement. Air needs to circulate around every slice during pre-treatment.
From whole fruit to perfect slices in 6 minutes. Now comes the chemistry.
The pre-treatment process. This is where science meets snack food.
This tank contains a food-grade solution, citric acid and ascorbic acid. It prevents browning. Each tray is submerged for exactly 3 minutes. Timer precision, down to the second.
The solution penetrates the fruit cells, stabilizing color and extending shelf life without preservatives.
3 minutes, not 250, not 310. Consistency is everything. Treatment complete. Now we remove excess moisture. Centrifugal force spins off 90% of surface moisture. 18,800 RPM for 45 seconds.
Too much surface water causes oil splatter during frying. This step is critical for safety.
Experienced workers can feel when moisture level is correct. Training takes 3 months.
12% moisture content, the perfect balance for frying. Too dry, they shatter. Too wet, they absorb too much oil. Now they're ready for the heat.
The frying floor. This is where jackfruit becomes a chip. Temperature 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Each fryer holds 200 gallons of refined vegetable oil. Temperature controlled within 3 degrees.
Continuous frying system. Slices enter on one end, chips exit on the other. 4-minute journey.
In the first 90 seconds, the slice loses 70% of its moisture. Cell structure collapses and solidifies.
Oil temperature drops when cold slices enter. These operators adjust heat in real time to maintain perfect temperature.
The oil is continuously filtered 24/7. Particles that break off get removed immediately. Clean oil, consistent results.
Perfectly golden. Now they need to drain.
A 45-degree incline lets gravity do the work. Excess oil drains for 30 seconds.
High-velocity air knives blast off remaining surface oil. This reduces oil content by another 15%.
Infrared monitoring ensures even cooking. Hot spots mean uneven texture.
The cooling tunnel gradually brings chips from 350 degrees down to 95 degrees over 3 minutes.
Rapid cooling locks in the crispy structure. This is when the chip develops that signature snap.
Listen to that snap. That's the sound of perfect moisture content and structural integrity.
Gentle tumbling separates any chips that stuck together. We want individual pieces, not clusters. 4 frying lines operating simultaneously. Combined output, 800 pounds of chips per hour.
Quality samples every 30 minutes. These go to the lab for moisture, oil content, and texture analysis.
From fruit slice to chip in 12 minutes. But they're not done yet. Now comes flavor.
The Quality Control Lab, where science ensures consistency. Moisture content must be between 2 and 3%. Any higher, the chips get soggy within days.
2.4%. Perfect.
Oil content testing. We target 35% oil content or less. Health-conscious consumers care about this. Color consistency. Every batch must match the standard. Even slight variations get flagged. Crunch testing. This machine measures exactly how much force it takes to break a chip. Target, 18 to 22 newtons.
This batch, 20.3 newtons. Right in the sweet spot.
Every batch is tested for bacteria. Results take 24 hours. Only clean batches ship.
Human taste testers are the final judge. Machines measure numbers. People measure deliciousness.
Metal detection. Even with perfect sanitation, this is the final safety check. The system can detect metal particles smaller than a sesame seed. Response time, 0.2 seconds. X-ray inspection catches anything the metal detector can't. Glass, stone, dense plastic, all visible here.
Every test logged digitally. Complete traceability from farm to finished product.
Approved. Time from frying to final approval, 45 minutes. Now they become a product. The seasoning floor, where plain chips become flavor experiences.
These drums can season 200 pounds at a time. Rotation speed 18 RPM. Perfect for even coating.
Precision seasoning, 2.3% salt by weight, measured within 0.1 grams. The salt is atomized into a fine mist. This creates even distribution without clumping.
2 minutes of tumbling. The result, perfectly seasoned chips.
Salt level checked by taste. Too much, and they're inedible. Too little, and they're bland.
They also produce BBQ, sea salt and vinegar, and spicy chili flavors. Same process, different ingredients.
Excess seasoning is captured and reused. Zero waste. Now for the final step, getting them to you.
The packaging line, where individual chips become retail products. Metallized film. That silver lining isn't just for looks. It blocks light and oxygen, critical for shelf life. 10-head weighing system. Target weight 5 ounces. Tolerance plus or minus 2 grams. Accuracy 99.8%.
Chips drop gently to prevent breakage. Then nitrogen is flushed in before sealing.
Nitrogen flushing. It displaces oxygen, which causes chips to go stale. This extends shelf life by 300%.
Every bag gets a lot number and best by date. Full traceability to the exact minute of packaging. AI Vision inspects every bag. Poor seals, printing errors, underfilled, rejected automatically. Bags are sorted by product type and conveyed to case packing.
Robotic packers load 12 bags per case, 450 cases per hour. Each case is labeled for shipping. Now they're ready to travel.
The distribution center, 50,000 square feet. Capacity for 2 million bags. Orders are managed digitally.
This order?
5,000 cases headed to Walmart distribution centers.
Each pallet holds 48 cases. This truck will carry 24 pallets. That's 13,824 individual bags. Temperature-controlled transport. Maintains 68 degrees. Prevents heat damage during cross-country shipping.
This load is headed to Texas. 1,800 miles. Arrival time, 36 hours.
Regional distribution centers receive and sort products to individual stores. Each case is scanned and routed to the correct store.
This case?
Store #4392.
Final mile delivery. Cases arrive at retail stores every 48 hours.
Store associates check for damage before shelving. Quality control continues even at retail.
Proper shelf placement matters. Eye level, easy to grab. Date rotation ensures freshness.
Prime shelf real estate. This is where 73 hours of work meets the consumer. The moment of truth. Appearance, price, ingredients, intended. Consumers decide in 8 seconds.
Clean label win. No preservatives, no artificial anything, just real food.
From tree to table, from 40-pound fruit to that perfect crunch. 47 steps.
From tree to table.
Thank you for watching.